Hello, this is your science laboratory safety test for Mrs. Zody's biology class. Um, Make sure you are answering each question to your best ability. And always remember that if I'm reading too fast, you can always pause this, take your time, rewind if you need to, and go at your own pace. All right, let's get started. Number 1 says, flammable materials like alcohol should never be dispensed or used near an open door, an open flame, or another student. Number 2, if a laboratory fire erupts, immediately notify your instructor, run the fire extinguisher, or throw water on the fire. Number 3, approved eye protection devices such as goggles are worn in the laboratory to avoid eye strain only if you don't have corrective glasses or anytime chemicals, heat, or glassware are used. Number 4, if you wear contact lenses in the school laboratory, take them out before starting the lab. You do not have to wear protective goggles or advise your science instructor that you wear contact lenses. Number 5, if you do not understand a direction or part of a lab procedure, you should figure it out as you do the lab, try several methods until something works, or ask the instructor before proceeding. Number 6, after completing an experiment, all chemical waste should be left at your lab station for the next class, disposed of according to your instructor's directions, or dumped at the sink. Number 7, if a lab experiment is not completed, you should discuss the issue with your instructor, sneak in after school and work alone, or make up some results. Number 8, you are heating a substance in a test tube. Always point the open end of the tube towards your lab partner, towards another classmate, or away from all people. Number 9, you are heating a piece of glass and now want to pick it up. You should pick up the end that looks cooler, use tongs, or pour cold water on it. Number 10, you have been injured in the laboratory, a cut, burn, etc. First, you should visit the school nurse after class, tell the science instructor at once, or apply first aid yourself. Number 11, when gathering glassware and equipment from an experiment, you should read all the directions carefully to know what equipment is necessary, examine all glassware to check for chips or cracks, clean any glassware that appears dirty, or all of the above. Number 12, you want to place a piece of glass tubing into a rubber stopper after the tubing has been fire polished and cooled. This is best done by lubricating the tube with water or glycerin, using a towel or cotton gloves for protection, twisting the tube and stopper carefully, or all of the above. 13, personal eyeglasses provide as much protection as safety glasses, splash-proof chemical goggles, or none of the above. Number 14, long hair in the laboratory must be cut short, held away from equipment with one hand, or tied back and kept entirely out of the way with hair bands, hair pins, or confining device. Number 15, in the laboratory, the following should not be worn: loose clothing, dangly jewelry, sandals, or all of the above. 16, the following footwear is best in the laboratory: sandals, open-toed shoes, or closed-toed shoes. Number 17, Horseplay or practical jokes in the laboratory are always against the rules, okay, or not dangerous. Number 18. If a piece of equipment is not working properly, stop, turn it off, and tell the custodian, your best friend in the class, or the science instructor. Number 19. If an acid is splashed on your skin, wash it once with soap, oil, or plenty of water. Number 20. When you finish working with chemicals, biological specimens, or other lab substances, always treat your hands with skin lotion, wash your hands thoroughly with soap and water, or wipe your hands on a towel. Number 21. Hot glass looks the same as cold glass. True or false? 22. All chemicals in the lab are to be considered dangerous. True or false? 23. Return all unused chemicals to their original containers. True or false? 24. Work areas should be kept clean and tidy. True or false? 25. Pipettes are used to measure and dispense small amounts of liquid. You should draw the liquid into the pipette using your mouth. True or false? 26. Laboratory work can be started immediately upon entering the laboratory, even if the instructor is not yet present. True or false? Number 27. Never remove chemicals or other equipment from the laboratory. True or false? Chipped or cracked glassware is okay to use. True or false? 29. Reading all procedures thoroughly before entering the laboratory. True or false? Number 30. All unauthorized experiments are prohibited. True or false? 31. You are allowed to enter the chemical preparation/storage area at any time you need to get an item. True or false? 32. Laboratory aprons should be worn during all lab activities. True or false? 33. It's okay to pick up broken glass with your bare hands as long as the glass is placed in the trash. True or false? And number 34, never leave a lit burner unattended. True or false? That is the entire safety quiz for Mrs. Zody's class. Good luck!